Welcome back, it's Thursday. The paintwork we did yesterday's dried off nicely. So today's project is to get the back end prepped and painted. The doors are looking okay. Quite pleased with those. Got a nice shine on them. A couple of little bits of dust, but that'll flatten and polish out. They're looking okay. Door shuts looking all right. Nice shine on them. Got a little bit of dirt in that one, but never mind, that'll polish out. I've just sprayed a bit of matte black over the back panel. Got a bit heavy there. So get the bucket and the soapy water out and flat it all down. I did have a comment about the wheels being incorrect for a 69. That's because I've got a picture of this car a few years back and it actually had a set of Mini Light replicas on it. And I think when I bought it, the Mini Light replicas were taken off and it was supplied with 3 Herald wheels and 1 Cosmic alloy. So I have got a set of Mini Light replicas to go on it. I had a choice between a set of wider steel wheels with moon caps or the Mini Lights, and I went with the Mini Lights, which I've had for 2 years. But I now wish I'd gone with the steel ones with the moon caps on. But I have the Mini Lights, they're all stacked up in the other workshop. So that's what's going to go on it when it's finished. When I'm rubbing down, I have 2 buckets, one with hot soapy water to put the paper in, and another bucket with just clear water and a clean rag in, just to wipe the surface over so I can see exactly what I've done. Well, it's all flatted down. Found a couple of minor problems. There's a couple of minor blemishes in that wing that I've had to skim a bit of filler over. And I don't know if you can see it, but there's a dent here. Yeah, you can see it on the camera. There's a little line dent there, which must have happened. I don't remember it being there, so it must have happened while the car's been lying about in the workshop for 1.5 years. So I'm going to have to get a bit of filler and sort that dent out, but we're not doing too bad. It's only 11 o'clock, so it's too early for lunch. So I'll mix some filler up, just rub down these ones on this side, and then hopefully a little bit of primer over it, and it'll be ready for paint. Okay, I've flatted all my filler work down and re-primed it, so just need to let it dry off, and then I can give it a quick flat, and I'll be ready for paintwork. So both sides done. So it's about 12:30, so time for a bit of lunch. And then when I come back, got a bit of masking to do around the boot, cover the wheels up, although I'm not really bothered about those, they can get painted. Yeah, get it ready and we'll get some paint on. I've had a bit of lunch. I've flatted all my primer down. I've had the heater blasting for half an hour, and it is now 80 degrees in here, which is a bit of a waste because as soon as I start painting, I'm going to have to open one of the doors to let the fumes out, and all my heat's going to go out. But what it has done is it's warmed the panels up, so they're nice and warm, ready to take the... So they're all flatted down, ready. All I've got to do now is just go over them with a tack cloth before I paint them. Boots masked up. This side's all rubbed down, ready. I've even covered the wheels up. So, and I've covered the bonnet up, stop it getting any overspray on it. It did get a little bit of dust on it yesterday, but it's not too bad because I'm going to have to flat and polish it anyway, so it doesn't really matter. I've just put the second coat on and it's looking quite good. I'm going to let it flash off for 15 minutes and then I'll put a third coat on and that should be it. So everything so far has had 3 coats of paint on. It's looking quite nice, got a nice gloss on it. Yeah, give it 15 minutes and then put the last coat on. And that's it, 3 coats of paint on, and I think it's looking quite good. A few tiny bits of dust in it, but nothing that won't polish out. So it's got a nice shine on it, no dents, quite pleased with it. It's come out all right for a home job. So that's the end for this week. I won't be working tomorrow. I shall leave it all over the weekend to harden off properly, and then on Monday I've got the front and rear valance to paint, the 2 rear quarters and the boot lid, and that's it. It will be ready to start putting it back together, and then we've got the fun bit of trying to make it run. It hasn't started for 2 years. I'm sure it will. Well, thanks very much for watching. I'm going to lock up now, go home and have a well-deserved sit down, I think. Thanks a lot for watching. Cheers, bye.